What's up everyone? I hope you're doing good, and in today's vid I'm going to talk about Piston Token, which is a protocol that offers you 1% daily passive income in their native token, the Piston Token. How it works is that you deposit Piston tokens into the protocol and those tokens are gone, they're sunk, which means you can't get them back. But then each day after that, the protocol pays you 1% of whatever you invested back to you. So for example, if you invested 100 Piston tokens, then each day you would get 1 Piston token back. So this means there's a return of investment of 100 days. The Piston token is similar to Drip, and it's the brainchild of the same team that bought you My Diamond team. And like Drip and My Diamond team, the true power of the Piston token protocol is in its ability to do compounding interest. And also what's unique about this project is its deflationary referral system. The project is launching on April 3rd, but there is still time to get on the whitelist to be part of the pre-sale, which happens on March the 28th with a 15% discount. Later on, I'll tell you what you need to do to get on the whitelist for the pre-sale. Something that's initially unique to this project is that you can actually withdraw your initial deposit up to 7 days after you do your first deposit. So basically, they're almost giving you a cooling off period where if you do change your mind or get cold feet, then you're able to re-withdraw your funds and take them back. Everything is taxed in Piston. Buying, depositing, claiming, selling, exiting, compounding. Every single action that you do has some kind of big tax put on it. The only thing which isn't taxed is if you buy Piston from the Piston website. This is a really good thing because it means whatever you're doing with the Piston token, money is always getting fed back into the protocol. Or the money is getting burned, and you can see 1% of every buy and sell is getting burned. The supply limit of Piston is 1 million tokens, so that means this is going to be a deflationary token. There are lots of incentives for you with this protocol that are very unique to this protocol. Your tank or your deposits can never go higher than 5 times the amount you initially put in. So for example, if you put in 100 Piston, you can't go higher than 500 Piston. When you get to that point, you won't be able to compound anymore. You won't be able to receive referral bonuses. You can still withdraw your profits. You just can't do anything else. To re-enable compounding, you'll need to withdraw your profits and then reinvest that, or just do a completely brand new investment into the tank. I personally really like this, and I think it's good for sustainability because basically what the protocol is saying is, come on, if you want to be a part on this, you're gonna have to start contributing. You can't just sit back and get free money the whole time. Like with Drip and My Diamond team, Piston has a referral system to incentivize new people to join the project. You will need a referral link to join this protocol, and when you do, you're going to be part of somebody's team, or in this case, their pit crew. You don't need your own team to get that 1% passive income per day. To be able to get referrals from your pit crew, you actually have to unlock all the layers below it, and you do that by depositing money into the pit crew boost. The more down levels that you want to unlock, the more value of Piston you have to put into the Piston pit crew booster. For example, if you only want 1 level to be unlocked, you have to put in $100. These amounts are cumulative, so if you're at level 1 and you've put in 100 and you want to get to level 2, you only have to put in an extra $200 worth of Piston. I think this is a really good idea because vast amounts of Piston token are going to be locked in the protocol because people are going to want to unlock their different pit lines. This takes Piston out of circulation, therefore making it more rare, therefore in theory making the price go higher. All of the Piston that you've put into the pit crew booster system to unlock your downlines can eventually get released, but it can only get released when you've reached a maximum of 50,000 Piston. The contracts will be audited before the pre-launch by Solidity and TechRate. The devs are really resistant to doing a KYC, which I really do not understand, and the excuse that they give is, oh, we're worried for personal safety. And in my mind, that is not an excuse because the whole point of a KYC is that you don't have to announce yourself publicly. You just have to go to a company, give some documents, so at least somebody knows who you are. The liquidity pool isn't locked, but they've said that 2% of all the buys and sells will be locked for a couple of months. I'm not exactly sure what this means, but say you buy $100 worth of Piston, so $2 of that, $1 worth of Piston and $1 worth of BUSD is going to get locked for 2 months. As this project's sustainability relies on compounding and buying and selling and all that type of stuff, it means that potentially a lot of liquidity could get locked up quite quickly, which is obviously a really good thing. But I haven't seen any type of liquidity locking initiatives like this before, so I don't really know how it's going to go. I will be investing in Piston Token at the pre-launch, and once it's gone public, I'm gonna, try and get my pit crew happening. And like what I do with my team in my diamond team, every single weekend I'm going to airdrop to either the entire team or a few random people whatever profits that have accumulated over those 2 days of the weekend. Okay, if you want to get on the whitelist and the pre-sale, you need to invest in my diamond team at least 0.5 BNB. I've done a couple of vids on my diamond team, and like with Drip and Piston, you need a referral link to join. So my referral link is in the description, or you can use anybody else's referral link. There's a lot out there, but regardless, you just need somebody's referral link to join. The pre-launch is first come, first serve, so the only thing the whitelist will guarantee you is that discount. To sum up, I think this could be a good project, and all the funds that are deposited are going to be locked in the contract, but there is that question of liquidity being locked. How does that actually work? And that the team is really resistant to a KYC for whatever reason. Obviously, those are all bad things, but this is the same team that did my diamond team, and that has actually been going quite well. And I think what's interesting with the Piston token is that it's their own token. So like Drip, there could be a lot of price volatility with the Piston token. The people that got in early with Drip have been making a killing with that protocol now that the price of Drip has gone up. And obviously, I'm not saying that this is going to happen with Piston, but because of the pit crew boosting system, which is essentially going to lock all these tokens away, taking them out of circulation, then there is a potential for the price of Piston to eventually start going up. Here we are on risk 5, and the fact that they flat out refused to do a KYC, it just gave them a big -10. And sustainability, there are lots of taxes. They do have a weird liquidity pool locking, which I don't really understand, and they haven't really explained it all. They say the audit's going to happen before launch, but it hasn't happened yet. And there are lots of incentives to stop lazy or greedy people. The Telegram is great, but the Discord for my diamond team is rubbish, and there isn't even a Discord for Piston token yet. The Twitter is okay, and your investment is sunk after 7 days. This gives Piston token a risk-fi score of 3.7. 3.7 is on the border of buy a ledger and a new computer before you even go near this thing, and it looks fine, but it has unanswered questions. So what do you think about all this, my friends? What do you think about the taxation and the fact about the pit crews and the unlocking and the deflationariness of it and all that type of stuff? Are you thinking of joining Piston? Are you not going to bother with it? Would love to know what you think about it all. Please leave a comment, and until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.